Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Aniket Sheda from 24K Studios, and today, as the title suggests, we'll be looking at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've been using this device since 9 months, so let's see what's inside this bag. First of all, we got the device itself. It's a nice sleek stick. It comes in a very compact format and grabs attention. Then we have the transmitter inside this, which can just slide onto this. So eventually the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it doesn't comes with a 3/4 inch threading over here, so you cannot mount it without the transmitter. So eventually you need to put on the transmitter for mounting. So, oh, this is the tripod that comes within. That's how you get it steady and firm. Okay. Then we have the additional battery pack. Yeah, it also has a 1/4 inch threading onto it, which helps you mount the tripod itself. Then we have the mic itself. So I'm currently recording through this DJI mic. It comes with the creator combo, and it's really good and handy. So this is nice, sleek. If you can see, it's nice, sleek glass design. You can see all the small circuits chips over the PCB and the memory storage inside it. And of course, with the windshield, it comes in a separate bag. Then just gonna mount the mic back. Okay, so apart from that, we have the DJI magnet for the mic itself. So you can put this mic with this magnet with the mic itself. Whenever you're recording or you just don't want to show the mic. Okay, then we have the cable that's been provided for charging purpose. This is a really short cable. I will suggest DJI that they do provide a longer cable. Then we have add-on lens of 15 mm. We have add-on lens of 15 mm, and it's really good. This lens is really good when you're shooting those ultra-wide shots. Initially, by default, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, it comes with 20 mm lens and can zoom out to like 40 mm, but that's with the software, not with any other lens. This is like a physical complete lens. It also comes out with the macro lens, and a lot of people say that it's like 10 to 15 times more powerful, but I'll be reviewing that very soon. So speaking frank, why did I bought this camera? I already own an FX3 with the Samyang Cine lenses. Uh, the real purpose of getting this camera, it's like it is vertical. It shoots vertical these days. The branding entire thing goes on a vertical, and the clarity it's really good. It is a 1 inch CMOS sensor built in, and eventually, even if I have to start it, I just have to flip it, and voila, it starts. So the battery also gets connected directly to the camera itself. So eventually, if I want to shoot vertical, I'm just gonna push it into vertical, and oh, it's vertical. So you're shooting vertical. So eventually, you can just blog it out yourselves, or you can work on those things. That's really, really good. This thing comes in really handy. So my personal review is like if you're a content creator or someone from the media industry or automotive industry or the IT industry, it's a must-have device. It's really very easy to use, not any rocket science, or you'll have to manage all the shutter settings, the exposure triangle itself. It's really handy. You can create your own videos, shoot your own videos, and post them on the social media network and get going and have a good business. So that's it for the day. We are done over here. We'll be doing more products soon. Thank you for watching.